Okay, I'm not recording your face. But it's such an honor for me to sit in the new car of my best friend. How fancy it is. Oh my god. Ooh. Look at the leather. Oops, it's not leather. But still, so pretty. Thank you for having me. I love you. Hi, Daddy. This is my first time sitting on her fancy car. So glad. So glad. Oh my god, you're about to crash your car. No, don't do it. Food. Actually, it's not mine. But I just recorded. Put your hand out. Yes. Soda, tea. What is that? Okay. This is my cutie. Yep. Okay. Who started?
Me. Okay, hold on. Let me fix it.
Hey, that's cheating.
Let me fix it first. I don't want to be loose.
Hey, make it loose so people easier to get, you know.
Okay, blue one. But make sure you don't break the tower.
Do it,
Take one.
do it, do it. Oops, my turn.
Yeah, go.
Am I in trouble? Ding, ding, ding. Hey, you can pick like that. That's cheating. Hey, that's not count, man. Put it back.
I don't want to break everything.
No, but that's cheating.
Okay. No, I feel like I can.
Hey, that's picky.
Okay, I got it.
How beautiful. Tonight is a beautiful night. We're looking for something dumb to do. Hey, girl. Let's go in racing car. You take me to see a car show.
Sorry.
There, I told you, there's a car show. Yeah. Can we? Yeah. Can we go? You see how many cars there? Please come check it out, please. Danny, can we go? Danny, can we go to see a car show, please? So we go to city center. Sooner or later, you have to get out anyways. So why don't we get out from here? Give me a reason, please. We have our imagination car, which is hot, you know. Why not we go to see a car show? We see the GTR. Look at that. It's a GTR. A GTR. Yeah. Get out, man. If you guys stay here, I'm gonna... Okay. Now you get out or not? Now you gonna get out or not? Tell me. Now you gonna get out or not? Tell me.
We're about to leave, so bye-bye.
Hey! We're gonna get out, man! No! I wanna see your I hate you guys!
Ser feliz, esto no me gusta. Esto no me gusta. Es que yo sin ti.
Please, mándame las fotos, please. I mean, por favor. That same old love. People that same old love. Damn, look at that. Reverse, like one hands on me. She's an expert.